Yeah, man. As a youth, we know about spirituality and dwelling on spirituality. I science.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later.
You see me? If Jashii did that last interview and call some name and step on some can, I know I'm dagger in a trouble.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Idea me no have to show cartel respect neither, you see me? You have to understand that too.
One eternity later.
I suppose one day somebody reach out and say, yo, about Alkaline song with your Jashii verse.
Yo, they reach out to me about Alkaline show and that. I tell you, bro, me no rate the brought a thing.
Yeah.
You see me? So me not associate myself with that. You understand? And just me that.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I never really get it, but one time it go around there like, I hold you, it made me smile, and I was so ashamed of myself.
Batty boy! You remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
People who are going, they don't know who and Media Fox money up, you know. Yeah, man, pick up everybody. So people who should not change run out. A bag of things. But you see what going on with Jashii? I expect it. I didn't know this about him. You understand? A bag of people. But the video him do, we don't know if it's a baptized thing based on them and say some Rasta thing and all of them. I don't know if it's a music video. You understand? We just have a look and see. Because you don't know a music video thing now nowadays. Them do a clickbait thing, make people talk about it and then drop the video. And then sometimes the song end up flat because the attention was all about the controversy about the clip, the first viral video and all of them good thing there. But we're going to change, I say.
Science, Jashii.
And to all the people them out there where I say Jashii get baptized, that is not a baptism. If you know about spirituality and you know about revival, church and certain things, it is a spiritual bath the youth get. I'm telling you already, you know. In this world where we are living, you have all heap of bad mind, you have all heap of envy. Now, as a youth I know about music, and many other people know about music, asking yourself this. Why Jashii in the certain places? Why in career not further than which party there?
Let me tell you this. Jashii put himself in some situation. You understand? When Jashii just forward out, seeing him a do him thing, seeing, yeah, him getting big song. You see me, band fight and all of them song there. After that, the hype get to him, seeing him start, remember, you know, him and Sking forward out, you know. See, you know, Sking get him song and then, you know, him call Jashii and then Jashii forward and get for him big it. And after that now, him and Popcorn start par. You understand? And then remember say something they go on with him mother and a bag of things. And you know, the little thing where you go on with in the media about, you see me man get whatsoever, a bag of things. And he get caught up in that. But the man in a too much bad vibes, dog. You understand? Too much bad energy there around the man. You see me? Sometimes, I don't really know science or nothing, brother. The man them just put themselves in some atmosphere where we make it worse to them. You see it? Can be there on Papi and then, you know, Papi did say something about some pill thing and Papi and Ray and the Skeng thing and him and Skeng never link and then when you look him stop link with Papi and a bag of thing people. You understand? And then you don't know where him had this up everybody. Call out Alkaline, one bag of thing, call out what you call it? Cartel and especially the two biggest fan base, Vendetta and Gaza. You put your career in a dead end right there, so. You understand? So that happened to Jashii right now. It's like, based on what him do and what him say, it's like, nobody not really rate him no more. Now give him that energy because of what he must say. You understand? Yeah.
Obviously, them a hold him down. Obviously, a whole heap of science a show. Remember say Jashii a talent youth, you know. Remember say the only young artist, you know, right you know, like can go up on any show, you know. The man can go up on Rebel Salute, any show, because the man can perform.
Brother, but much enough of the artists can do that, my G. You understand? Enough of the artists, I just Jashii mouth put him in a problem. From Jashii forward, Jashii a good artist, him can perform, yes. Seeing? I have some good positive song where upliftment song. But remember, say from the get-go, the man mouth put him in a problem, brother. You understand? A bag of thing where man attack, dog. I when him forward out and them interview him and him say about shot self and one bag of thing, brother. Him put himself in a deso, bro. You know, sometimes when you use these things, I don't know, say the artists put themselves in a problem. I don't know how to use it, say, yo, some people are science them. Them not focus on the music. Them are focus on different people too much. And them get carried away. You see it?
So, why is it we hardly hear about Jashii? Think about it. Yeah, man, as a youth, we know about spirituality and dwelling on spirituality. I science. You see me?
I don't know where you know. Brother, when I understand, say Jashii boss where the end of dog. You see me? Him not really build that fan base, him not really. And me tell him, you know, the last interview with Jashii though, me didn't know say this I got happen to him. Cause you have to read the room, dog. You have to read the room. You see the fan base them. You see once you got this them artists, brother, a lot of them are just detach themselves. Other fan base them listen to your music, you know. You see me? But when you say something, bro, you just now get that energy there, bro. So from him do that, it's like nobody now meds him again. You see me? Cause it was between him and Massacre, a Link and all of them little things there. And that sensation they gone already, bro. And him father out come say something. We understand where I go on at the space, we see where I go on. But sometimes, brother, as a young artist, you need to focus on the career, building on a brand, focus on the music, bro. The bag of interview and the bag of unnecessary chatting and bag of necessary information, it nah okay. It don't like make no things worse soon. I don't know how the system things stay in the music, brother. You don't care upon yourself. You understand? It even worse right now. Especially with the fan base. Because this upper artists we have big fan base and you expect say, yo, the energy never did it with you, my G. You understand? It's like people rate them artists. You go drop a song now, nobody not really meds it, nobody not gonna run with it because you diss them artists. So Jashii call upon himself, dog.
When Jashii did that last interview and call some name and step on some can, I know him that guy in trouble.
Not for me.
See it, you know him did that guy in trouble. What Jashii fi do, rather than they talk about Cartel and Alkaline, talk about him music and building him brand and what's next. And that him fear worry about, my G. You understand? Him make the interview people them draw him out for set up him career. Draw him out for talk about Alkaline and Cartel or whatsoever. You see me? At them thing they mash up him thing, dog. You see it? Some of the time you can say things, you know, but don't give too much energy. Because when him done do an interview now, see? What people are gonna remember? Them are gonna remember what him say about Cartel and Alkaline. Or that them are gonna remember. Them not remember about him music or nothing, bro. The social media world powerful right now. Them now focus on positivity and negativity. The media focus on, bro. So if him say, yo, me have an album or me have this or music or next, them no business about that. Them a talk about things where they can run with. You understand? But see the clip them, yeah.
Personally, in a dancehall, Vybz Kartel is not my favorite artist, you see me? So I have members say, me forward, me born like 2001. That I was born, you see me? Yeah. So that man go like prison for 13 years and things, you see me? And the dog still find it and everything there. Thumbs up for that, but Cartel, I know my favorite artist, you see me? And for the time of me in music and things, Massacre are great, you see it?
Alright now. We can't really bash him. See? Cause we can't read a man mind or what. See, at the end of the day, artists are gonna respect Cartel same way. You see me? Yeah, for the contribution of dancehall. But him no must be a next man favorite artist. Cause you don't know over the years that them been pushing Cartel on the youths them for said this and said that. You understand? We understand with that. You see it? But Jashii now, remember say with this start from Sunfest, you know. When Jashii walk out and say about King and this and Ray. You understand? That's the problem. So when him found out and said this now and you don't know that attention you know, but them a pre-massacre, you know, because of him. You see me? So all of them think there are a lot of plugs I go pull from Jashii right now. You see, because you don't know the streets they already. You see me?
So for my timing then, you see me? Him deserve a homage of me, show him.
Massacre.
Straight up.
Okay. I mean, it's fair to have to do something for you personally for you to give him respect.
That means I say me no need him to do nothing for me,
right.
But he respect Daddy, of course.
Yeah,
He respect Daddy, of course.
I mean, that kind of was missing in chance.
No, he respect Daddy, but at the end of the day, me no have to show Cartel respect neither, you see me? You have to understand that too.
You saw them say how a while ago? How? The thing is that, you know, bro, at the end of the day, you know, a man show respect to who he want to show respect, you know, that is not a must. It's not his parents. You understand? Yeah, him respect. Say, yo, yeah, that man a contribute something to dancehall. You see me? Yeah, and him maybe inspire youth and all of them thing there. You see me? But him now must have to show him respect. Cause I know him parents. You see me? Yeah. It's not an obligation. It's not mandatory. You see it? But him show him respect same way. You see me? Yeah, I just saw a thing about this is one next clip with the Alkaline thing. You see me? Because this was the two, I think maybe the two last interview where him to see him when I change a talk. You understand? So that interview there, when him do it cartel, I know that the pressure go reach him this account and know how the system they set already, people. I know the Gaza thing and the links and everything, brother. A payments, bro. You understand? Certain thing I will get cut off. We know that already. You see me? So look here now. Jashii, I go say something again.
Alkaline and brata, bro. Yeah, so I say, what do you? Me ask you if Alkaline and brata, me no rate brata thing. Me can tell you that straight, bro. Me no support them. No, I'm thinking I say, yo, you no rate. Okay, right. Me no rate brata. No, but me think that Alkaline that. No, me no rate brata, my friend. And that me I try to tell you. Oh, God. So you're not against Alkaline? Yo, me nah, when me even know Alkaline, if you have nothing against Alkaline, brother. Me know Alkaline, my friend, me never see Alkaline yet in my life, you know, my brother. So me can't have nothing against someone who me never seen in my life yet, my bro. Alright, so one day somebody reach out and say, yo.
And you know my worst thing? See, you know my worst thing? That's what I try to show you, you know. Jashii, a talented artist, you know. But you see him brain, it never get the full education. You understand? Because he must say him not deal with brata. I don't know why people say the brata thing, because the word brata, we know what brata mean, extra. You understand? But I guess that them use where Alkaline singing at the song. But it's so funny that him sit down beside a man we get it and him say him like it. It's so funny. That's why I tell you, say them youth and no brains, dog. You see me? Them youth and got brains. You see me? But he might go say some more thing, people. You see it?
About Alkaline song with your Jashii verse.
Yo, they reach out to me about Alkaline show in the dog. I tell you the truth, you know, bro. But as me I said that, me not tell you like me I tell you in a code, bro. Me no rate the brata thing. Yeah. You see me? So me not associate myself with that. You understand? And I just mean that. Me.
You see? These are the problem, you know. That's why I tell you, so them young youths, yeah, them no focus on branding. See? You will get booked for your show. That's why I show you know, people. The reason why I talk like this, you know, I try to educate them young artists as well. For sure, it's a brother, stop follow people. It can damage your career in a long run. See, like when I change, I say, yo, all them now is Jashii and about a science. People, these are the things when I tell them is not no science. Some new rules link you. Remember, you know, brother, you're an artist, you have a brand, First Nation. See? I know you're Alkaline apart. But I try to show people, say, look, this is what mash up him career. See? You found out and said this. So them link you with Ray, but you know deal with that and bag of things. And I know say, bro, this is business. You understand? Because at the end of the day, you get a lot of bookings with other people. You don't know what them do. You see it? And first of all, Alkaline never say him get that. Him never tell us him get that. You understand? But as something where you run with and mash up on yourself, dog. You young. Alkaline is a youth where him create a platform, new rules, to highlight the young talent them. But remember, you know, him their own popcorn them time, you know. So you know, say popcorn and Alkaline a link. You see me? So maybe at that time when them call him, he must say, yo, Jano, is it him their own papi or whatsoever? So maybe at them time they know him no want to do that. You understand? Or maybe you don't know that go. Is it? But listen what I say.
It show a stadium. Alkaline sister, me rate Alkaline sister as me G, you know, bro. Yeah. Kerry, you know, bro. You see me call my G that AC. Keep after champs, yeah. Powell. Yeah. I'm a G that is me like my father that, you understand? Yeah, and them man there and she close like that, is me. But
people, the man say him not deal with that. But Alkaline sister, where are the man manager the man blood. That's why I try to show you, bro. It show you say, yo, them route you go down the wrong part, dog. And that's why him end up down the road, yeah. You understand? Because, remember, you know, him say, him no know Alkaline. If Alkaline do him nothing. But him not deal with that. He show us somebody and manipulate him. And I tell him, say, yo, do this, him a follow somebody. You understand? Because I think Skengly end up do all new rules and a bag of thing. You see it? But fine. We can't bash a man or if it do a man, but me I try to show you, say, yo, we no damage on a brand. We no do these things and say these things in the media. You understand? Because if you did go up on new rules or maybe the next new rules, he would highlight you, give you back a strength. You understand? Because the next show them not to a book you like that, bro, because of the system. You think so after what you do, you think so Sunfest I go book you and put you up on them show, bro. Bro, you have to read the room, dog. You see me? That's why I try to say enough for young youths. Uno for just focus, brother. You see it? It's like how Alkaline, all when the whole system depend him back and where the youth not listen to what them I say, youth not do interview for them dry him out and say certain things. The youth focus on the price, on him brand, all of them little thing there. That's why the youth reach so far. Uno young youth, uno make the people them drown out too easy for say something. And then you know the same industry go park on one side. And then I go reach for say 10 years in a career. You understand?
I just mean that, bro. We're Alkaline.
A two-way to this thing, you know. You spend time them fling science off and them and lick you from left to right. It's either you have to find one church and baptize and allow music alone, or you have to find a spiritual man when think tough. You see me? When you know say protection of your eye. You see it? When you know say you have to just know the code. You see it?
Brother, nobody no science Jashii, brother. Jashii mash up him brand. Him mouth mash up him brand, brother. Him never focus. You understand? Him just to make some people boots him up and come talk something in the media. Or him drink some liquor or something, bro. Or that mash up him thing, bro. You have to understand how the dancehall space industry system stay. You understand? Especially when you're a young artist and you know build no brand, you have that type of fans, bro, you will get lost in a game, bro. You understand? If Alkaline did a move like Jashii, with laba mouth and a bag of things, maybe Alkaline would reach him there. You understand? Look there, the whole system did a fight Alkaline. What him do? The youth stay focused. You understand? Stay focused, just drop music. Give them music. Him not fall upon the media, crash out or no interview. Him just say what him for saying the music, the song. That's how the youth use and conquer them and find hit song. Them a youth love go up on the internet and say some bag of thing and feel like say them for them career go last long when them say them thing and knowing how the system set and all of them thing there, bro. You understand? That's why Alkaline become the big legend in the game and him still young because you would focus on the right things. You understand? Them young youth when you not stay focused, you not call them some negativity on yourself, dog. Is it?
That's what I'm telling all the while. So it's a social media. It's a very dangerous place. No fun way I call up people in media and I chat people and I talk all type of things. You feel like say the people them not go places. You feel like say the people them not do things too, no? I know all of these things from all the time. Like for instance, me can come on the internet and talk whatever I want to talk. You see me? Because we set certain things and put certain things in place a long time. Because we know say wickedness is about and we know say people evil and we know say bad mind and corruption they are enough. You see me?
Yeah, them things they are enough, yes. But when you give it the energy, that is when you will get caught in it. When you focus on that, see? When you focus on that, that's going to put you in a problem. If you see say somebody has said something on the fight and Ray, don't focus on that. Don't fight on the media and crash out. Yo, they might fight me. Yo, this a money and Ray. That nah carry you go nowhere. The time where you have to do that, put it in a music, build a brand, do something. And that mash up no for anything.
Especially in the music. If you want to know if science real, just go produce one song. Or just enter in the dancehall space. And then again, you have no phone, no? Where people are saying so, no people are holding no down. And just feel like, say, boy, he sang them now stream or nothing now go on. Brother, go get a check-up. Go find out what go on. If someone there find out what go on, under know, say, yo, the plate big. Whole heap of money in a reggae, whole heap of money in a...
Brother, I love you saying so many time, but, brother, when you feed into the energy, it a go hold no down. At that. You understand? At that. Do something and focus on the music, promote on yourself, do something. You understand? Because no matter what did I go on, Jashii never use no music. He never sing, put up, be a song. Better than did I do it in a musical way. But he never did I do it. Be an interview about a chatting, or that match up in thing.
A dancehall music. I mean about the trick, you know. There is never a slow season in a music. Anything you see you can't find a hit song, or anything you see no money now make certain things that go AY, they are working against you. High spirituality. Whole heap of science. You no fear.
So you will tell the artists them say anytime them now find a hit song and nothing now go on, as somebody science them? What about trying something different? Take a different path. Market yourself in a different way. You understand? What about that? Why it have to be as somebody has science them? Bro, sometimes when I feed into some negativity if all know have to do, I just do something different, you know. You understand? And stop follow people. Just do something different. You see it?
Favorite artists love Guzu. The whole world love Guzu. But you know what's the difference? They will not come and tell you. You see me? They will not come and tell you.
People, you know why I talk so? Remember saying did I produce artists and I sing, you know. Seeing? And enough in mind them say my goes him. That's why I say that with Jashii, you know. True in their mind, them say him, them goes to him. So yeah, I let them do Jashii. Brother, sometimes I remember say when you in a media, you know. Seeing you in a media. Yeah, use controversy, a bag of controversy, brother. That couldn't work. You understand? Yeah, try controversy if you try do this and do that. You never did a focus on the music. You see me? The things what you did I do. You see it? So Jashii put himself where him there now. And nobody do it, nobody not science Jashii. But just play a video we go on a while ago. You see me? Jashii put himself in a problem from the get-go from him first interview when him getting big song. You understand? Him mouth put him career with there.
You can't trust nobody, you see it? The Bible tells us to trust no one. But as long as you do it and I use it to do the right thing, big up yourself. Because spirituality can use to do bad and it can use to do good. It depends on where you are use it though. Big up yourself.
Nah, like 19, you look like you know about it enough, man. You do it too. We just ask still. Because we hear talk about it. You see me? Yeah, man, but big up yourself still. You see me? You don't know one media facts on your people. Big up on yourself, you know, stay safe out there. You see me? One media facts on your. That is it.